Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn the treble crochet stitch. This is the tallest of all the basic stitches. So to start, we're going to chain into or crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. So you're going to yarn over twice, then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. That gives you 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That gives you your first treble crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. That gives you 2 on your hook. You're going to insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over. Now you got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There you have it, another treble crochet. So we'll do this again slowly. Okay, now we finished the entire row. We're going to start and make another row. So to move up to the next row, you're going to chain 4, turn your work, and we're going to skip this first crochet because this actually counts, this chain here counts as the first stitch. So we're going to crochet into this stitch here. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull, yarn over and pull up a loop. That gives you 4, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through. You get 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now that we are done with that row, this is what it would look like. You can see your individual posts here. You can see that they're much taller than the double crochet. Just for comparison, this is a double crochet swatch and this is a treble crochet swatch. So you can see that they're much bigger, a lot looser. They're not as stable as your double crochet, so usually you work these in with other stitches. That concludes the tutorial. If you guys liked my video, please make sure to leave some feedback in the comments and hit subscribe. Thanks so much.